right back to school, right? Because back to school season's underway. May is outside right now with Fox 40 auto expert Nick Miles to show us the best cars for parents and students.
That's right, Pedro. So we're going to focus on the students first. So, Nick, do you remember what car you drove to college?
I do, and you don't have it here in the United States, but it was a Datsun 120Y, which was a 510. You used to have
A Datsun?
Yeah, you had,
A Datsun.
It was a Nissan 510.
Okay, I was
so
close. I drove
Datsun.
my brother's brown Nissan truck. Okay, far cry from this beauty right
Yeah.
here. We're talking back to school cars for students. So safety, really important. Economic, reliability. Okay.
So Toyota Corolla, 50 years in the United States, starts at under $20,000. You can get it up to 40 miles a gallon. The coolest thing about this, May, the coolest thing about this, Amazon Alexa in the car.
Really?
Yes,
Well,
Amazon
let's go
Alexa in the car.
inside.
So,
Amazon and Alexa.
yeah. So you can actually talk to the car
Gotta see this.
from your house. So you can say, "Hey Amazon, start my Corolla. Hey Amazon, put the temperature at this and that." It'll do the whole thing. And this is great. They start under $20,000. You can get a hybrid version in it if you want. It's super reliable. It has all the modern tech, Apple CarPlay. It has everything in here that you could possibly want as a student. And because you know when college students go off to college and they have those unexpected trips to IKEA, they thought about that at Toyota, and what they do is they have a fold-down seat, 60-40 split seat in the back, so you can get that bookshelf in that you didn't think you were going to go and get.
Sure, and safety features.
Safety features, it has all of Toyota's safety features, including all the lane stuff.
Okay, good.
Super reliable. So,
like the color,
this
too.
is definitely my choice for a college student going back to college.
All right.
You want it to start every single day of the year. That's
right. You want it to start, so there's no excuses not getting to class on time.
I don't want to be getting a call at 2 o'clock in the morning because you can't get home.
Okay, so we're going back to the parents now, hauling the kids off. This is a big car.
It is. This is one of the vehicles that's making all of the people drop their jaw. This is the new Hyundai Palisade.
Okay.
It is their biggest car in their whole lineup.
Wow, look
it's
how
their
big
first
it is.
3-row SUV,
and
this thing is loaded. But when you find out, May, that this starts at under $32,000. Starts at under
$32,000.
Fully loaded, you can get one with around 45.
Can we start it?
Yeah, sit in it, start it.
All right.
There's some really cool features on this vehicle. Let's see if we can get it to do. So now use the indicator and indicate to go right or left. So the indicator, you know how you use an indicator?
No.
May? You know, you use an indicator to go right or left.
Oh, the indicator. You always get me those fancy words, okay? The turn signal,
They have some really cool options in this car. One of them is something called Cabin Talk, which I could pull up on the screen if I knew how.
You mean you just talk to it?
Cabin Talk, you push it and it turns on the speakers in the back with a little microphone up front here, and you can talk to the kids in the back. So stop touching your sister. I'm going to slap your knees. But look how beautiful this is on the inside. Push button transmission, all that space under the transmission loop.
Okay, we like all the storage space.
Can I tell you my favorite part of the car? I have to show you this. I didn't set it up, but is these magic cup holders. So look, let me fold it away.
Look at that. Can you see that? Like the cup holder.
So now press the button.
Press which button?
Press the button there, that one.
This one?
Yeah.
Woo! Oh, look at that. We're fancy.
Cup holders pop out.
2 PSLs in tow. Lots of towing space for the kids and all the sports gear.
And you can get the full entertainment in the back.
Nice. How about that, huh? Guys, back to you. Student cars, parents' cars. Thanks so much, Nick Miles.
May, my first car was a 1992 Toyota Camry. I don't know about those. That's a fancy cars right there. I had a little hoopty. How about you, Adam? Did you have a hoopty yourself?
No, I never had a hoopty, Pedro.
A hoopty? You don't know what a hoopty is?
It's the first time I've heard it.
It's one of those, it's a beat-up car.
I'm using the context clues to figure that out. Yeah, thank you very much, Pedro.